If we would listen to all of the rhetoric that comes from the governor's office, you'd think that Indiana schools would require a complete overhaul, when in fact our Indiana schools have a lot to be proud of. Hoosier fourth graders scored higher in math than their counterparts in 48 countries in the world, ahead of Germany, England, and Norway. Indiana teachers ranked #1 in the nation for being certified in subject matters in which they teach. And Indiana's graduation rate is 15 points above the national average. The legislation that the General Assembly is considering now would really do very little to improve our schools and only cut benefits for unemployed workers and weaken collective bargaining for teachers and other union members. It's just simple common sense. It's Hoosier common sense that teachers should have a voice in what goes on in the classroom. But Senate Bill 1 would hand teacher evaluation over to outside agencies and give teachers no input in that process. It would also give the state superintendent of public instruction the right to revoke a teacher's license at will without due process. Governor Daniels needs to stop overreaching and making power plays to try to silence the voices of anyone who disagrees with his agenda or his philosophy. We want to work together to improve education, to solve the budget problems that this state has, and to create jobs so that in the future we can have a tax base that can support the way that it should a public education system. Hoosiers really want legislation. I hope our legislators hear that, hear this. Hoosiers want legislation that will truly help them take care of their families, not strip them of the benefits that they've fought so hard for and deserve.